Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the flashlight not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Tap the flashlight icon to check if it turns on. If it doesn't, open your camera app, switch to photo mode and tap the flash icon in the top left corner. Try taking a picture to see if the flash works there. If your flashlight still isn't working, the next step is to check for software updates. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Updating your iOS can fix system bugs affecting your flashlight. Already up to date? Let's reset your settings. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and then choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset the system settings that might be interfering with your flashlight. Still not working? Try a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo, then release it. And that's it. Your flashlight should now be working again. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.